lead work, we do free pickups. Move your local business forward with the United States Postal Service. Let's connect at USPSconnect.com/local. Specific markets, restrictions apply. Same day or next day delivery expected. Not guaranteed with entry close to final destination.
Why choose proven quality sleep from Sleep Number? Because our Sleep Number 360 smart bed is really smart. It senses your movement and automatically adjusts to help keep you both comfortable. Plus, it's temperature balancing so you stay cool. It's even smarter. Our smart sleepers get 28 minutes more restful sleep per night. Sleep Number takes care of the science. All you have to do is sleep. Don't miss our Labor Day weekend special where all smart beds are on sale. Save 50% on the Sleep Number 360 limited edition smart bed plus free delivery when you add a base. Ends Labor Day. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com.
On the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, it's Corey from The Morning Show. Check this out. You can record and send a message to the hosts on Star, like Marcus, like me. Just open the free iHeartRadio app. You stream Star. And when you see that little red microphone button next to the play button, you gotta press that, then you record your message, and hit send. My friends.
This is Shalini from Fremont. My daughter and I will listen to you all the time. We absolutely love you. Love you all.
The Talkback Mike. Now on the free iHeartRadio app.
Take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? Ever since the day you went away, your body from out my brain. What you gonna do now? Maybe I should just go instead. Think about all the nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. You're going round in circles.
More variety from the 2000s and 90s. 1013. Hello, I'm Jason from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show. I remember being a goth kid in college, driving to see my goth girlfriend, listening to this song. It's a back to the 90s weekend with Depeche Mode in silence. variety from the 2000s and 90s and today's star. Good evening. Thank you so much for spending some time with me tonight. I really appreciate that. I'm back with the crew, Marcus and Corey. And then don't forget our trivia game. What you know about that is at 8:05. Play along with the kids in the car. In your way into our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival. The same festival where Prince joined Mary J. Blige and Sting joined Lady Gaga as the biggest superstars from all genres of music come together September 23rd and 24th at T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. Tickets are on sale right now. AXS.com. Don't Diplo, Halsey, Lionel Richie, LL Cool J featuring DJ Z-Trip. You got Luke Combs, Marcus Maren Morris, Megan Thee Stallion, Morgan Wallen, Nicki Minaj, Pat Benatar, and Neil Giraldo, Sam Smith, The Black Keys, and it's all hosted by me, Ryan Seacrest. Stream it free on the CW app at CWTV.com and keep listening for the next chance to win your way to our iHeartRadio Music Festival and $1,000 spending cash. See you there.
Just like that, it's hello back to school season. Luckily, Famous Footwear has the hottest brands to fit whatever your kids are. Elevate your son's game in Nike courts, or have your daughters feel the spotlight in Converse platform sneakers. Shop online and at a local Famous near you.
Progressive presents Don't Do It Yourself. Hey, there's no water here. Easy fix.
Oh yeah? So you know how to secure the skid joint?
Yeah.
Attach the steam pump.
Takes 2 seconds.
And fasten the dew bolt to the pressure tube.
Yeah, my dad taught me how to do that.
Oh, that's interesting. Progressive. We could save big and pay someone to do it for us.
That's cool. This doodle's the wrong size anyway. Save when bundling home. Coverage for Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and third-party insurers. Bundle discount unavailable in all states or situations.
Time. So here's a lesson in big wireless hype. Flashy phone plan deals usually don't add up to actual savings. Graduate to Straight Talk Wireless and get our Silver Unlimited plan with unlimited high-speed data and 5 gigs of hotspot data for just $45 a month. Plus, get a Samsung Galaxy A13 5G for only $149, all on America's best 5G network. Unlimited data, less money, no brainer. Straight Talk Wireless, available at Walmart and Walmart.com. 5G capable device required. Actual speed may vary. Month equals 30 days. See latest terms and conditions at StraightTalk.com.
You saw people you haven't seen in a while.
I haven't been in a while.
And you accumulated new and different junk.
You came home and you said,
Where are we going to put all this?
relax. We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
No lifting.
No carrying.
Pumping the walls.
Just a beautiful, wide open space full of happiness and sunlight.
You'll have room to roam.
To breathe again.
You've never felt so free.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800.
When a truly spectacular gemstone is discovered,
It usually finds its way to Robert Prokop.
magical gemstones belong in the hands of a magical jeweler.
The exceptional jewels of Robert Prokop
And the startling pieces of jewelry they become.
are available in only a few places.
Of course, jewelry that exists in a dimension of its own. The flagship Shreve's at 150 Post off Union Square.
Shreve is perfectly situated in Stanford Shopping Center.
Bye, bench press. Adios, squat rack. Fare thee well, kettlebell. Hey, Kellen, need a spot? No, Jake from State Farm. I'm just saying goodbye to my pricey gym membership.
What? Don't give up what you love. State Farm has options like insuring your home and ride with great rates on both.
Nice. Hey, can I buy you a protein shake? Or...
For surprisingly great rates, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
What do Frozen Coke, Frozen Fanta Blue Raspberry, and Frozen Fanta Wild Cherry all have in common? A medium size is just $2 at McDonald's. So go ahead, catch a chill vibe, and slide to the drive-thru for a delicious like the one I'm sipping right now. When your thirst needs some quenching, just remember, it's more than a drink. It's a McDonald's drink. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Prices and participation may vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo meal. Coca-Cola and Fanta are registered trademarks of the Coca-Cola Company.
iHeartRadio Fiesta. Brought to you by the Jupiter Collection. Visit Jupiter.com for product information. You can make a difference.
Every second counts in a poison emergency. That's why Poison Help is standing by 24/7 to provide free assistance in over 100 languages. Save Poison Help as a contact phone today. Poison Help. 1-800-222-1222. You can make a difference. Find out what's going on in the Bay Area. Visit 1013.com/calendar.
The Stuff They Don't Want You to Know podcast delves into popular culture's most persistent mysteries. Now, there's something else that the guys at Stuff They Don't Want You to Know want you to know. They've got a new book coming out. Packed with illustrations. The Stuff They Don't Want You to Know book is written in the same smart, conversational style you love hearing on the podcast. Available October 11th. Pre-order now at StuffYouShouldReadBooks.com or wherever you buy your books.
Portions of the following program were pre-recorded.
KIOI San Francisco. This is Star 1013's Community 101.
Welcome to Bay Area Focus, our weekly public affairs program from iHeartRadio San Francisco, highlighting issues and organizations working to improve our communities. I'm your host, Tinka, and guest today, we have Hector Salazar from Reading Partners. How are you?
Wonderful, Tinka. Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here.
So, let us know a little bit, what is Reading Partners?
Yeah, thank you so much for asking. Reading Partners, wonderful organization, and really, what we do is unlock youth potential. I mean, that's the core at what we do every single day is unlock the potential in our brilliant young people that we work with. How we go about doing partners with local schools, with local community members to provide one-on-one tutoring support for students with measurable results. We've been doing that for over 20 years. We're a national non and regional hub, and the Bay Area is one of those 11 regional hubs.
That's amazing. I like your slogan, this one tutor, one child, infinite possibilities, and that is so true.
Absolutely. The thing that I love about our organization is, we're truly community partners. The community gets to decide the way that our model. We recruit community members, we train them, we deploy them, and partner them with students, and they get to decide how they're going to spend that time. So that 1 hour a week that they're contributing significantly improves, literacy outcomes for students, and yet the community gets to decide that that's what they want to spend their time doing. So I think that's really